open the Microsoft Remote Desktop application, then click on the plus button. Now click on Add PC button. Now type your desired IP address on PC name field. Click on Options button. Navigate to the device and audio redirection option. Now check the microphone option. Allow the permissions. After this, click on Save to keep the changes. That's it. Now you can use a microphone on your server. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.